Today we are working with Aaron for the first time. Aaron, say hello, please. Don't be rude.
Mr. Crack.
So, we are going to install tints on his car. I bought this shit from Amazon. It is 5%. So, it's called limo tint. I did this in my Merc. And it went kind of well. So, after the puta. Ow. We'll try to do this on Aaron's car as well. I'm fucking bleeding already. For this. This cost me 40 quid. Around that, roughly. And this one is kind of thick, so it's good to work with. But obviously I'm not a pro, so, and it's not my car, so if it's like shit, I don't care. Right, Aaron? Yeah, good. Wait. We're going to remove the plastics because it's way easier to work with. You need razor blades, water and soap, heat gun, and the tints obviously. And someone besides Aaron. Because
You had screws on top of that fucking thing.
huh?
Fuck.
What?
I had screws on top of the fucking...
To remove this is really just pull. But the tints have sides. So one side is the one with the glue. Yeah, but literally 2 seconds. Otherwise you will be dead. So, release line this side. You have to peel this side. And we are going to cut the tint file on this side. We are going to not glue it, but stick it. And then you do like the shape of the window. And then you peel it out. You have to shrink it with the heat gun to do the corners. And then you peel it, this part, and basically glue it straight forward to the window from the inside zone. Firstly clean everything. Use this. Spray it all over the place. And with one razor blade, like a new one, basically you clean all the windows. Ow. I bought a couple of tools to do this on Amazon for like 10 quid. They are cheap enough. I have this kit, comes with a lot of things. I really only used a couple of them because, like I said, I'm not a pro on this. One is a good one to scrape the window. Rubber thing, and this one is like a soft thing to push water out. Water it again. until the side of the wing.
How do you do this by yourself?
I don't know, with a lot of patience. Go a little bit higher. Exactly.
This tint is very heavy and it's good.
That's good. Yeah.
It's good tint.
It's good. Don't pull anymore. Don't pull. Don't pull. Don't pull. Don't pull. It's good. Hold it. Just hold it. A little bit down. And around here. Here, hold this, hold this.
I forgot to use your kit as well, your window tinting kit.
Yeah, I have like a kind of a kit, yeah. It's like good enough. Don't worry because I'm not touching the car.
You said on in the video, yeah.
Turn on the heat gun, please. No, fuck no. Tedious.
It's a fuck content job.
Well, finish this one. It's completely horrible here, especially. It is a little bit, as you can see. We are going to do the rear windows now. These ones. Oh, shit. Bit easier. I'm going to cut here. Where's the window here? Wait. Then we got this side. You della puta. You lift a little bit and push a little bit in, like a little bit. I don't know, maybe one finger. A little bit more, and then you cut this one here. all the way down. Let's get a bullet. And then that's a little bit to this side again. Off, exactly. And a little bit up like this. And you cut again.
You can see, guys, anyway, he's a married man, so stay away. Fuck's sake, that was me in the pub back in 2022.
Fuck.
Yeah, you all you need to win is touch that fucker.
Well, I know, but it's easy to say.
It's easy to say, yeah. And he says don't dirty the garage, look at him then. Fuck's sake.
How much are you paying for doing this? I thought so.
250.
Mm-hmm.
Fiat de puta.
Figlia.
Fiat de puta.
You don't know what to fucking say.
Merda.
Well, it is easy for you guys to say.
Croquettes. We like croquettes. And the Franson.
Which croquettes did you eat?
Potato ones.
Potato croquette. You didn't try the meat ones?
No.
Fuck's sake. I'm Portuguese and I think I never ate potato croquettes.
He loves wedges as well. Portuguese man loves his wedges, like.
It's the only thing that Ireland has to offer. It's fucking potatoes. Potato. You are the fucking potato.
Call your man anyway for tinting, he loves it.
Yeah.
This is the last car he's tinted.
Definitely.
Bar his drift car, maybe.
Well, it's a little bit blacker. Blacker.
That looks well now, doesn't it?
It's better than your face.
Fucking wind. The fucking wind.
Yeah, it's too strong too. There's always some type of warning when I'm working here. Always. Might mean something.
I know.
Means that you are a wanker. Maybe? What do you say? You think so?
It's all about trial and error.
Yeah. A lot. Like how probably a lot of you guys are going to say how to not tint a car, and I completely agree with you. But the point here is being poor. Are you recording me? Being poor and try to do something with 40 quid.
Yeah.
Amazon tints. So obviously the tints aren't the best, and these hands were made to drift, not to tint. So supposedly the trick is when it's like doing a snake shape, it's good to go, and supposedly it works. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but supposedly we are shrinking the tints. Ah! Woohoo! Nice flames. See,
And the tint is very good then, fuck's sake.
it is good, I think so. For 40 bucks and a guy without experience,
That's very good, yeah.
I think it's good. It's not perfect, obviously, but for the second car, I think it's way good. That's it.
It's unbelievable. That's actually like a half or way a professional tinter is like, isn't it?
Yeah, and this is not like how to teach you guys how to tint, because I don't fucking know. But it's a little bit of a handy help. Isn't perfect, but
I forgot about that sticker there.
yeah, you were a wanker. Isn't perfect, but at least it's like good enough.
This window is bang on though, like.
Yeah, that one is it's good. Yeah. So, hope you guys enjoy it. Subscribe, put a like, and all those crazy YouTuber things. Aaron is taking pictures of his new car now. So, well, see you soon.
Polish out.